Hello everybody, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to make Kovil Sarkarai Pongal. Kovil means temple in Tamil and this sweet rice is given as prasad in temples. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icons for notifications. To make this Sarkarai Pongal, we have taken one very small cup of raw rice and 1/4 cup split green gram or yellow moong dal, half cup Jaggery or goofed. This is edible camphor, not to be confused with the regular camphor. Edible camphor, khane ka karpuram, pacha karpuram. Take a very small pinch. This is entirely optional. And 1 teaspoon cardamom powder or elaichi powder, around 8 kishmish or raisins, around 8 to 10 cashew nuts broken. This will go into frying. This kaju and kishmish will be fried in ghee. And we have also taken half cup ghee or clarified butter. So now let us see how to make this Chakkarai Pongal. Take split green gram in a pressure pan and roast it for about a minute. This quantity is very less. It needn't change color or anything, just roast for about a minute. Now we have switched off the flame and added raw rice to it. Now we are adding water to the rice and dal and we are going to wash them well. To the washed rice and dal, now we are adding 3 cups of water and we are going to cook it. Now let us add 1 tablespoon ghee to this rice and dal before closing it. Now let us close the pressure pan and allow 3 to 4 whistles so that the rice and dal are cooked well. In the meanwhile, we have taken the jaggery in a vessel and added 1/4 cup water, heated it, and now we are going to let the jaggery dissolve in the water. The jaggery has now dissolved in the water and now we have switched off the flame. Now let us heat a small skillet and add 2 tablespoons ghee. When the ghee is hot, now we are adding the broken cashew nuts. Let us stir the cashew nuts until they turn light golden brown in color. The cashew nuts have turned color and now let us add raisins or kishmish. Now we have to stir until the raisins expand and become like a balloon. So now the raisins have expanded, we have switched off the flame and now let us keep it aside. Now the pressure is gone from the pressure pan. Let us open it. We can see that the rice and dal are cooked. Mash lightly with a ladle and add the rice and dal to the jaggery syrup that we prepared. You can see that our rice and dal are not in a very mashy consistency. We prefer it this way because if it is too mashed up, then the pongal looks more like halwa. Now let us add in the fried raisins and cashew nuts along with the ghee in which they were fried. Mix well. Add the cardamom powder and now switch on the flame. We have kept the flame low. After stirring for about 2 minutes, now we are adding the rest of the ghee or clarified butter. Now the point to remember is we have to keep the flame low, add the ghee and stir continuously for at least 15 minutes. Only when you stir it for that long after adding ghee will you get the nice color of the Chakkarai Pongal. The color will darken and the sweetness of the jaggery will be absorbed by the rice and dal. You can see that our pongal has thickened now. Now it has turned into a nice brown color and ghee also is oozing out of it. So this is the time to switch off the flame. Doesn't our pongal look awesome? Just like they give in temples? Now let us serve our awesome Chakkarai Pongal in a serving bowl. As you can see, our Chakkarai Pongal looks so good. Its texture is awesome. The rice and dal are well cooked, yet they have retained their shape. This is exactly how we wanted it. And this is how good Kovil Sarkarai Pongals are. Now let us add the edible camphor. We are going to add a very small fraction of what we are showing here. We have to be very careful while adding it. As I said, adding this is entirely optional. You can add it only if you like the divine aroma of the prasad in the temples. But if you add it in excess, it's going to spoil the taste and make it bitter. So awesome Chakkarai Pongal is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you did, do not forget to press the like sign and share this video. Bye for now. See you soon with another video. Take care.